Hello everyone and welcome to the Castleview end of term assembly. Going to be catching up with a number of staff from across the team to get awards, special nominations and some of the key information that you would get at a normal end of term assembly across during this video. I'd like to start off by saying a huge well done for all of the effort and work that you've been putting in over the last couple of months. We know it's not been easy, we know it's been very difficult, but the way that you've adapted and overcome all of the challenges that have presented themselves has made it truly special to be a part of. And we thank you and we are very appreciative of all the hard work that you have been putting in. We're going to start off this assembly with a little message from the attendance team, and that's going to be led by Miss Hooper.
Hi everyone, I just wanted to say a huge congratulations to each and every one of you who have managed to achieve 100% attendance this year. It's a great achievement and I'm really proud of each and every one of you. For those of you who didn't achieve 100% attendance, please bear in mind going forward it's really tough to maintain good progress during your time at Castleview if you're not in. It's been a really surreal end to this academic year. I really look forward to seeing you all back in September.
So that was our attendance team. We're now going to look at the behaviour team and we're going to be looking for Mr. Cooper to give us a bit of an update on behaviour across the year, not just the last term where behaviour in school has been exemplary.
Hi Castleview students, it's Mr. Cooper here. I would like to take this opportunity to say a massive congratulations to the following students for completing the year on 0 behaviour points. This is a fantastic achievement which you should all be very proud of. Keep the good work up.
Thank you, Mr. Cooper. We're now going to move on to curriculum-based awards and nominations, and we're going to look at our directors of learning who are going to go through their area, their subject and who's been performing exceptionally well during this tough period. I'm going to kick things off with PE. I'm going to start with Key Stage 4. We've had a number of students producing some high quality work, but we're going to pick out Blake Regan Eyre as doing the best of the lot. He's been up to date with all the deadlines, he's been completing work to an exceptionally high standard, and he's always been looking to then improve the work and do it to a better level from there on. So well done to you, Blake, and keep up the good work. Going down into Key Stage 3, we've got Harrison Bell in Year 9. He's been picked out by Mr. Stevenson, who says that the work that he's produced for the Joe Wicks homework was to such a high level. His workout was very clear, very precise, and he put a lot of detail into the plan that he produced. So well done to you, Harrison. And then Madison Leeds has been picked out from Year 7, where she's been continually working really hard, continually producing work to a high level. She's been very quick to accept all of the challenges that have been put out there. So well done to you, Madison.
Happy last day of term everyone. Here are some messages from your English department.
Hello, I'd just like to say well done to all of the students in my classes who have shown such resilience and commitment to their learning. You worked really hard and you should be really proud of yourselves. In particular, I'd like to acknowledge the following students who have been fantastic and produced some outstanding work. They are Brandon Cruz Atreed, Zach Brown, Erin Hooper, Darcy Martin, Ellie Lynch Gillins, Amy John, Libby John, Caris White, Kathleen Pullum and Emily Jane Cousins. Have a great summer everybody.
Well done to everybody in 7Y4 for all your hard work in English this year. Special shout out to Paul Sexton and Liam Clark for all their fantastic work that they've done on Teams since we've been off. Hope you have a lovely summer and come back in September ready to continue your great progress.
I would like to do a shout out to Regan Broomfield from my 7Y3 class. He has been an absolute superstar. He has done extra work and has engaged in all of the assignments set. He's really been smashing it. Emily Russo from the same class from 7Y3 has also been an absolute superstar, has been amazing, has asked for help when she's needed it, but actually has really got on well. And thirdly, Jo Bailey from my AX3 class. has been absolutely amazing, has done all of his work.
I just want to say a huge well done to all of my classes this year, particularly to Year 11. I'm incredibly proud of the resilience you've shown and how hard you've worked. Even if it didn't turn out how you'd hoped, it doesn't change how proud of you we really are. I'd also like to say a huge well done to my 9x1 class. You've sat at the top of the AR leaderboard for most of the year now. At the start of the year, you used to tell me I was obsessed with reading and it was all I spoke about, but every time we done an AR check, there was a drum roll and a cheer, so secretly I know you enjoyed it just as much as I did. Have a great summer, everyone. Stay safe and keep reading, and we can't wait to see you in September.
I'd really like to say well done to 7Y1 this year. You have kept up with all the reading that I've asked you to do and more. You've been absolutely fantastic, and we're still top of the leaderboard for Year 7. Yes. Okay, in particular, I would like to do a shout out for some real superstars within that group. Whilst everyone's worked really hard this year, those that have been doing absolutely everything, doing remote learning and going above and beyond and helping each other out are William Woodford, Craig Brett, Jack Harris, Sunny Brown and Terry Jane Davis. So well done to you guys. Hi Year 11, just to say goodbye, good luck and thank you for all your hard work this year. It's not turned out the way we expected it to be. Do you know what, the one thing I am really missing, I'm missing you guys, but I'm also missing those abridged version Shakespeare's we've been reading. So this is a message for 9Y4. I'd like to say well done to all of you this year for all the work that you've put in our English lessons together and the reading that you've done. Since we've been remote learning, though, there are some people I really need to mention who have worked really hard to get everything done. So that's Alva Heath, Archie Weaver, Ryan Broomfield and Jasmine Deacon. Can I just say a massive, massive well done to those students.